Alright guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial, and right now we want to understand what is known as what browser console. Alright, so I have successfully created another chapter. I call it chapter 2. Don't worry, the code snippet I'm actually going to give you, so I just want you to follow along so that you know as we are picking it from chapter to chapter, you start understanding it very much better. So we want to take a look at what is browser console here. So now, what is browser console? Browser console is just like an environment where we test our JavaScript code, whether it's going to work or not, before we start making use of it, before we start implementing it in the real world. So it's just a pretty environment that you can easily run your JavaScript code and it's going to work. So let's go back to sandbox. Nothing is in there. So let's say, for instance, I want to say alert. I want to just have alert here, not credit alert. I just want to have alert, and I want to say JavaScript is awesome. JavaScript is awesome. All right, JavaScript is awesome. Okay, so by the time I do that, let me load it, save it, and you can see it's already opening. By the time I'm reloading my browser, it's actually coming up on my browser console. What if I don't want to have it in there? What if I just remove it? Okay, I save it, and I come straight down there. I want to know where I can locate my browser console in my browser. So please, there's one thing I really want to tell you right now. You try to use Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, it's one of the best browser that developers make use of, that makes life so easy. So if you're not using Google Chrome, I don't know, please, it's very important, just download it and use it if you really want to follow along in this tutorial. So just locate F12 on your keyboard and press F12. Okay, so when you press F12, it's going to open an environment where you're going to see memory, elements, records, console. So what you're going to do is that if your own is not actually coming in this way, you can click here, and you can see that it can be at the bottom, the dock to the bottom. You can dock to left, it can be here, this three toggle button, you can be at the bottom. So just ensure that your where is it? Okay, this is it. This I want it to be like here, so we want it to be here. So please understand, this is where we really want our console to be. So you can see I've removed the browser console, I've removed the code. So here I can test it. I'll just say alert. You can see alert, and I will say hello world, and I will say hello world. Okay, hello world. All right, so let's start hello world. Okay, hello world. So by the time you type hello world, okay, let's do it this way. Hello world. Okay, sorry, I don't know what's happening to my mouth. So right now, if you just click on enter, you see hello world is actually showing, and if you intentionally want to type another thing, you can type it there. So now by the time you start reloading, it's going to be what? It's going to be cleared. So you can say alert again and say JavaScript is awesome or something. Say JavaScript is awesome. So you can see, so it's a way of trying to test your code whether it's really going to work or not. All right, so now that is what browser console, we're going to be using it a lot to test our JavaScript code. You're going to see some couple of errors in there. You're going to be trying to reload it and see how you can make things work. Okay, so that's what I'm actually going to say for now. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to dive into the concept of variables and constant. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to have you in the next tutorial. Have fun. Hula.